Steph here with the Frank app, and today I'm going to show you how to save a search. So let's say we want to search in a certain state, or let's just say a specific zip code. It's going to show here there's 11,073 results in the 33137 zip code. And let's say we want to narrow that down a little bit. So in this zip code, I only want to find single family homes. Let's say minimum bed count of 2, minimum bath count of 2. You can see the results are narrowing down, so there's 112 results now. Same thing, square foot, year built, lot size. Feel free to tailor exactly what it is that you want to look for in these areas. Let's say I want to find properties that have high equity. And let's just say that's my search. So here, I would then come down to the bottom left and I would hit Save Search. Once I click Save Search, I can name it whatever you want. So 33137, put high equity search properties. I will then hit Save Search. And then once that's done, you see up here at the top right where it says saved, you can see some of the saved searches that are in here. And then if you wanted to delete any of those searches, you could just simply hit delete, and it'll delete those searches from your saved searches. But very easy, very user friendly. And there's a little button here that would just click to clear any and all. If you want to have multiple searches, whether you're looking for probate properties or pre-foreclosure properties or foreclosure properties, you can set the search criteria however you want with the filters, and then literally just click Save Search, name the search, and then you would find it here at the top. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have any other questions, feel free to visit the website at www.frankapp.com.